Kevin here, Farmer Equipment Sales. Today I'm just receiving in some PTO driven stump grinders for compact tractors. We stock two different models of PTO driven stump grinder. This one right here is the smaller of the two. This is designed for a tractor with about 15 to 65 PTO horsepower, compact tractor. These go on the 3-point hitch, and you do the grinding by moving the tractor forward and backwards and by lifting and lowering the 3-point hitch. These grinders have a 24-inch wheel. They're about 500 pounds, 34 replaceable carbide teeth per unit. Come with a PTO shaft with a slip clutch. This is the lower cost option of the two because it doesn't require any hydraulics to lift, lower, swing the machine. You use the 3-point hitch and the tractor's transmission for that. These grinders here are currently $2,700. The larger model is this one behind me here. It has hydraulic cylinders for the lift and for the swing of the grinder. This larger one is recommended for tractors with 30 to 60 PTO horsepower. There's that oil-filled gearbox there. This one has a little bit different style of carbide tooth as well. It has, I believe, a 27-inch swing on the tips of the teeth here. PTO shaft included. This one actually has a shear bolt as opposed to a slip clutch on the smaller one. Has on both cylinders these adjustable flow control valves, so you can adjust the speed if your standard hydraulic speed's a little too quick. The larger 3-point hitch grinders are $4,900. PTO driven stump grinders for compact tractors. Now that's farmer approved.